Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the Leetcode question number 647, Palindromic Substring. The question is, given a string, return the number of palindromic substrings in it. A string is a palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. We are given two examples here. In the first example, the string is A, B, C. The three palindromic substrings are A, B and C. Hence, we are returning the output as 3. In the second example, our string is A. These are the 6 palindromic substrings. Hence, we are returning the output as 6. I hope the question is clear. Now, let's get into the approach. Before we get into the approach, let's see what is a palindromic string. Assume that our string is ABA. If you read the string from left to right, we will get ABA. Similarly, if you read the same string from right to left, you will still get ABA. So our string ABA itself is a palindromic string. So in our string ABA, there are 4 palindromic substrings. They are A, B, A and ABA. Let's take another example. Our string is ABBA. So if you read ABBA from left to right or from right to left, you will still get ABBA. So our string is a palindromic substring. In our string, there are 6 palindromic substrings. They are A, B, B, A, BB and ABBA. Now let's see how to identify the palindromic substrings. We can solve this using two-pointer approach. For each string, we can have both the pointers in one character or both the pointers in adjacent character. Now we will move the left pointer to the left and the right pointer to the right. If the character in the left pointer and right pointer is same, then it is a palindromic substring. We will find all the palindromic substrings that are in the string and we will return the count. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. As a first step, we will write a helper function to check if a string is a palindrome. def palindrome check. We will pass string left pointer and right pointer. First, we will have the result as 0. We will iterate until the left character and the right character are same, while s of L equals to s of R. If the left character and the right character are same, we will increment the result. Result plus equals 1. Once we increment the result, we will move the left pointer to the left side and right pointer to the right side. L minus equals 1, R plus equals 1. At the end, we will return the result. We will stop decrementing the left pointer once the left pointer reaches 0. In order to do that, we will also add and left greater than or equal to 0. We will stop incrementing the right pointer once the right pointer reaches the length of the string. And R less than length of S. Now we have completed the helper function. We will count the number of substrings. In order to do that, I am assigning the variable output and I am initializing it to 0. Now we will iterate over the string for I in range of length of S output plus equals palindromic check we will pass I comma I. We have two patterns. One is having the left pointer and the right pointer on the same character, and the next pattern is output plus equals to I plus 1. That is, the left pointer and right pointer is in adjacent character. At the end, we will return the output. Return output. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. We will copy this and put here. Now let's submit it. The solution got accepted. First we need to check the left pointer and the right pointer are within the range. Then we have to do the comparison. In a while loop, if you have multiple conditions, the order of each condition matters. That is the reason for the error. I hope you like this video and I am sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe, and I will see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.